What you're about to see now in this video might change your life forever. It makes you have the financial freedom you've wanted and have the ability to work anywhere in the world and be your own boss by scheduling your own working time yourself. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. This is Tosin. I do create videos like this to show people how to make money online. So if you haven't, subscribe to this channel and also turn off notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get updates. And also, if you want to make more money, check out my first recommendation in this video description to learn more on how to earn more money for yourself. This method I'm about to show you today is free worldwide and you can do it anywhere you are. All you just need is your laptop or your smartphone and a good internet connection, and you can do this anywhere you are. Okay, we go to Google search and we're going to write the first platform. It's called Google Skill Shop. Okay, we go to Google, we enter Google Skill Shop, right? And we have it here. I'm going to click on it, Google Skill Shop. And what Google Skill Shop is for is that get certified for different type of online agents, for example, like Google Ads, Google Marketing Platform, or Analytics Academy. So there are different type of trainings here that you want to go to and start making money for it. Don't worry, just keep watching this video. I'm going to show you how to earn money with all this certification after getting them. Okay, so it's very easy to do. What you want to do first is just go to skillshopwithgoogle.com. So you go sign in, click on Google Ads certification, okay, or Google Display certification, or any type of this Google Ads certification. We can go choose them, and what it's going to do is that it's going to show us a training on how to do Google Ads. Okay, so these are what we're going to be using the certification for. Okay, you have the ability to demonstrate your mastery of building and optimizing Google search campaigns. Okay, the satisfied users with exhibit the ability to leverage automated solution like smart bidding and audience solution to boost campaign performance for specific marketing objective. After doing this training, you have the ability to do all these, guys. Okay, so these are what you have the ability to do after finishing this certification. So to do this certification, you just click on get started, or if you still want some of these optional assessments to it, you can just click to include it and you're going to launch it. For this video sake, we just want to base on this simple Google Ad Search certification. So to get that, you click on get started and you're going to click on launch, and you can start answering this question. It is very easy. You can start going through all these questions, guys, and after filling it, you get your certificate. So it is very easy to do. You don't need too long process for this. There are some other ones that you also need to watch the Google training videos, and after that you get satisfied for it. So after doing all these things, guys, what I want to show you then is the first platform I'm going to show you that you want to go to Upwork. All right, you go to upwork.com and sign up for that. I will show you now how to sign up, but first let me show you people doing this and earning real money with it. So this is the number one proof. All right, you see here, this man Steve B is a Google Ads specialist, okay, and he's not doing nothing more than what we've seen here in the Google Skill Shop. So you just go to Google Skill Shop after getting your certification. You can come here and assign for jobs like this. As you see, he charged $125 per hour and he already earns 900,000 doing this, guys. This is another person here. There are so many people doing this. Okay, this one comes from Bosnian and he's already doing this for sometimes now. He charges $50 per hour, but they don't write the estimated earning here. So but mostly the other ones have the estimated earning. Like this guy here come from Highland and it's charging $95 per hour and he already earns million just by doing what I'm showing you in this video, guys. So this can change your life. Just need to follow this step I show you. Go to Screenshop, sign up for the certification. After you get the certification, you can now assign for jobs here and start doing this. You see, this guy come from United Kingdom. He charged $40 per hour and he already earns 50k. All right, so you can start doing this anywhere you are. And the best thing in this method is that you can schedule your working time yourself. It means you'll be your own boss and you can do this anywhere you are. You can work from anywhere you are. Either you are in the holidays or at home. Anywhere you are, you can work on this. You just need a laptop or your smartphone with a good connected internet. All right, so this is the first platform you can earn money after getting this certification. The second one is called Fiverr. But first, to sign up with Upwork is very easy. You can sign up with Google, okay, and you follow the process and confirm your email address, and you can start using this Upwork and posting your jobs here. All right, so that you can get people who will hire you and start earning money with that. Or the second platform I'm going to show you is Fiverr. I already signed up here to my Fiverr account, so I just want to show people doing this, okay, and earning real money for this, guys. See this guy here is setting up Google AdWords and a PPC campaign in 6 hours. All right, so he's getting $50 per work. For every job done, he get $50. And you see here there's another one that's as a gig starting at $100. Let's just click on it and we see he still charges even more than that. All right, he still charges even more than that, and what he's going to do is he will audit and set up and optimize your Google Ads campaign. All this you can get the certification on Google. And you see he has a basic gig for $100. The standard gig is starting from $295. And let's see the premium gigs, guys. The premium gigs is $595. Okay, and what you see is that people are ordering from these guys. You see he already have 273 reviews. Okay, so from my experience, let's say from these 273 reviews, he already has more than 300 contracts that he has already finished and earn money with that. Either 595, it depends on what they order. Okay, the premium price is the highest price, which is almost $600. So this is how you can earn money doing this, and you can do this no matter where you are. You can do it either you're from Asia, from India, from America, or you're from Bangladesh, or you're from Africa. You can do this, guys. Okay, just need to go to Screenshop and click on get started, and these are different type of certification that you can get on this platform. So if you know you love what you're saying and you're getting value on this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Okay, I will really appreciate that. And it's to show your support for us and to show that you are really enjoying this video. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell button. And if you even want to earn more on internet, make sure you check my #1 recommendation in this video description, guys. All right, and as always, thank you for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one.